Here we go. Here's the top 5-star box break for eBay. Let's get started. The serial number is LF036729-021. For all people that want to see it. Here we go. The first card is a Devon Best. Second card, Steve Young. Next card is a Tim Tebow, 2/100. Then we got a Mike Kappa, Eagles quarterback, 26/30. Then we have a Vince Jackson, 26/35 autograph. Then we have a Franco Harris, 10/40 jumbo patch. And then we have Marquise Colston, 59/79. And then the final is an Emmitt Smith signature relic, 3-relic book card, autograph, limited 8 out of 20. There you go. There's your Topps 5-star box break.